Hi everybody. In this video we are going to talk about how we might get code from someone else's repository on GitHub so that we can download it and edit it ourselves. There are a few ways to do this, but I'm going to show you how to fork their code. Basically what this means is you make a copy of their repository and place that copy in your own GitHub account. It's pretty straightforward and pretty easy. It just takes a few clicks. Let's get started. First step, open up a web browser and navigate to GitHub, specifically to the repository that you want to copy. Make sure that you're logged in. Next step, click Fork up here in the upper right-hand corner. It'll ask you where you want to fork the repository. I have several accounts, but you will only have one account, so probably you should choose your user account. So I'm going to do that. Okay, now notice this is in my account now instead of NCS Dice, and it's called CC Starter Code. It says forked from NCS Dice Starter Code. So now what we need to do is we want to download this code to our local machine so that we can work on it. So our first step is to get the address or the link to the code, so copy. Next, we're going to open up a terminal, and we're going to navigate to the directory we want to clone this particular repository. So let's make a new one. I'll call it GitHub Fork. You should probably call it something relevant to you and to your project. So I'm going to change directories into GitHub Fork, and I'm going to show you that there's nothing there. Now we type git clone, and you'll see that it downloaded that repository CC starter code into this directory, GitHub Fork. Now if I cd into that directory, you can see all of the code is there. Now, the reason that we forked instead of just cloning the directory directly is I can make changes here, and I can push changes back up to GitHub, and when I do that, I'm pushing those changes up to my account and not to the NCS Dice account. This means that when you do this, you're going to be pushing the changes that you make up to your personal GitHub account and not back up to NCS Dice. So that's it for this video. I hope that it's useful and hope that you enjoyed.